The thing I think I like the most about the Volvo culture is the combination of sustainability while creating a unique and exceptional experience for both the customer and employees that work for Volvo.
What I think is, inspiring with these vehicles, right, is seeing what Volvo's vision is, how they're moving forward, how the future of the brand is going to look, and seeing EX30, EX90, it's giving us a taste and a sample of what's to come, and I'm really excited. We're very excited to have the EX30, EX90, but even more excited to see, how that goes into the future too.
Having the opportunity to actually test drive these vehicles and get in and around and touch and feel them is probably the most inspiring thing you could do for us as salespeople and sales managers in order to help promote the product.
Comme on le sait bien, c'est des véhicules qui sont sécuritaires. J'aime pouvoir avoir des clients qui sont en confiance derrière le volant. Une grosse partie aussi, c'est de finalement pouvoir mettre les mains sur le produit, l'attirance ou tout ce qu'on a eu par rapport à des vidéos, le unboxing qu'on a vu l'année passée, tout ça, finalement pouvoir mettre les mains dessus physiquement.
I like the addition of the rear tailgate with the 30-second sensor where you can push the button twice, collect your things and walk away from the vehicle, and then the trunk will close for you.
Moi, j'ai beaucoup aimé le fait de voir que dans un petit véhicule, on arrive à avoir de grandes innovations, énormément de sécurité qui peut correspondre à beaucoup de monde, mais également pour un budget, je pense, qui peut correspondre à énormément de clients. Je pense que ça va être une vraie réussite.
Ready to have our cars. We got our test drive back at our dealership now, so it's exciting to call on our customers, come see their vehicles, and they get to pick them up soon. It's awesome.